MRVL Analysis General Overview and Trend. MRVL technology has experienced significant volatility over the past 3 months, with prices ranging from a low of 62.62 to a high of 85.27. The stock showed a relatively stable upward trend from mid-June to late July, reaching its peak around 85.27 on the 30th of July. Since then, the stock has been in a corrective phase, with the current price at 62,865. The medium-term trend appears to have turned bearish as the stock has pulled back significantly from its highs. The long-term trend is also showing signs of weakness as the stock has fallen below key support levels. Price volume patterns have been particularly significant during major price movements. The highest volume was recorded on the 18th of June with over 55 million shares traded, coinciding with a sharp price increase. Another notable high-volume day was on the 29th of August with over 96 million shares, which marked a significant price decline to 62,865. The recent trading sessions show high volume during the decline, suggesting strong selling pressure. The volume-weighted average price, VWAP, stands at 79.71, which is well above the current price, indicating that the overall sentiment over the analyzed period has turned bearish, especially with the recent price decline. Moving averages EMA and SMAMVL is currently trading below most of its key moving averages, which is a bearish signal. The 5-day simple moving average stands at 72.41, while the exponential moving average is lower at 70.96. The 20-day SMA is at 74.88 and the EMA at 73.79, showing the short-term trend has turned negative. The 50-day SMA at 74.65 and EMA at 73.38 are also above the current price, indicating the medium-term trend is negative. The 200-day moving averages, SMA at 82.53 and EMA at 82.51, are significantly above the current price, confirming the long-term bearish structure. The fact that shorter-term moving averages are below longer-term ones suggests strong downward momentum. The technical indicators present a bearish picture. The current price trading below all key moving averages suggests strong downward momentum. The recent decline has pushed the price well below the short-term moving averages, indicating a strong breakdown. The VWAP at 79.71 is significantly above the current price, highlighting the strong downward movement over the analyzed period. The stock has broken below key support levels, which have now turned into potential resistance levels. The 50-day EMA at 73.38 is likely to act as a significant resistance level during any potential rebounds. Linear regression analysis applied to the price data over the past 3 months shows a downward sloping trend line, confirming the overall bearish trajectory. The regression line indicates an average decline rate of approximately 0.5% per week over the analyzed period. The current price is trading significantly below the regression line, suggesting the stock might be oversold in the short term after the recent decline. The deviation is substantial, which could indicate either a continuation of the downtrend or a potential bounce in the near term. Opening price prediction for the next trading day based on the recent price action, technical indicators, and the closing patterns observed. The opening price for the next trading day is likely to be around 63.0-64.0. This prediction considers the sharp decline in the last session and the overall downtrend pattern. The stock has shown a tendency to open near the previous day's close during strong trending phases, with potential for a minor bounce if oversold conditions trigger some buying interest. Resistance and support analysis. The immediate resistance level is at 65.49, which was the high on the 29th of August. Above this, the next significant resistance is at 70.96, which corresponds to the 5-day EMA. On the support side, the first level is at 62.62, which was the low on the 29th of August. The next major support is at 60.0, which is a psychological level. The current price is approximately 4.1% below the immediate resistance and 0.4% above the immediate support, suggesting the stock is in a weak position but potentially oversold. Given the recent sharp decline, intraday movements may be characterized by some bounce attempts at higher levels, with potential for the stock to test the immediate support before any significant recovery. Daily ATR 14 value and possible high-low values. The average true range, ATR 14 value, indicates an average daily volatility of approximately 4.8. Based on this, the possible high for the next trading day could be around 67.6, while the possible low could be around 58.0. These values are derived from the current price plus or minus the ATR value, providing a range within which the price is likely to fluctuate during the trading session. Possible scenarios: in a bullish scenario, if the stock manages to break above the immediate resistance at 65.49, it could target the 70.96 level and potentially extend towards 75.0 in the short term. This scenario would be confirmed by increasing volume and momentum indicators turning positive. In a bearish scenario, a break below the 62.62 support could lead to a test of the 60.0 psychological level, with a possible extension towards 58.0 if selling pressure intensifies. A neutral scenario would involve the stock consolidating around current levels to digest the recent losses, with no clear directional bias in the immediate term. Conclusion: Marvell Technology stock has shown significant weakness over the past month, with a sharp decline from its July highs. The technical indicators suggest both the short-term and medium-term trends have turned bearish. The stock is trading below all key moving averages, which provides a strong bearish bias. The recent decline has been accompanied by high volume, confirming the strength of the downward move. However, the stock appears oversold in the short term, which could lead to some consolidation or a mild bounce. Traders should watch for a clear break above 65.49 for potential bullish reversal signals or a failure to hold above 62.62 for further bearish confirmation. The overall outlook remains bearish, with the stock likely to continue its downtrend after any potential bounce phase.